Hello kids. First we learn colors name. Dark pink color, dark green color, light green color, yellow color, purple color, red color, orange color, dark blue color, brown color, black color, light blue color, light pink color, light blue color. One, two, red color, three, four, dark pink color, five, six, light blue color, seven, eight, red color, nine, 10, 10, orange color, 11, 11, 12, 12, brown color, 13, 13, 14, 14, dark green color, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, orange color, 17, 17, 18, 18, brown color, 19, 19, 20, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.